Guys, do you remember that one time that we hiked 4 miles in and 4 miles out on the Appalachian Trail? You remember how it was like 10 or 15 degrees colder than it had been when we left our campsite? And we were so unprepared that we had to bundle Nava in Raya's hoodie. Do you remember how you guys were in the middle of such good books that you would zoom ahead so that you could have a reading break while you were waiting for us to catch up? Do you guys remember the layers of the forest and how perfect the layers were? All the different shades of green, the mosses and the ferns, and then rhododendrons, and then the evergreens up above that. It was just so many beautiful, perfect layers. Do you guys remember passing that one through hiker and we didn't even really know because he didn't smell bad? We figured it out once we got to that shelter and the backcountry ranger told us that we had passed a through hiker. Remember all the other cool stuff she told us? Remember jumping from one side of the trail and being in North Carolina and then jumping to the other side of the trail and being in Tennessee? Do you guys remember the views at Charlie's Bunion? That's got to be one of the coolest landmark names. Did you guys hear any of my conversation with some of those other couples who were there as well? Did you hear when they said, are your kids homeschooled? And I said, yeah, how do you know? And they were like, well, they're reading for one thing. You know that as much as I tease you, my book-loving heart couldn't be prouder, right? Do you guys remember sitting up here, freezing, making slow motion videos of each other? You guys remember what it's like when Papa's trying to get a group picture?
Ready?
Looks good. We just need to do one more.
Are you freezing? Totally freezing.
How about she come?
Okay, ready?
Ready.
Raya, head up.
Why?
Come on, Raya. Please cooperate.
Here we go.
Okay, finally.
10,
9, 8, 7, 6.
8, 9, 8, 9, 8,
7,
7,
5,
6, 5.
I feel like plenty of the trails that we've done have been about getting to a specific mile point or a specific overlook, but this trail was just really all about the journey. I was thinking while we were walking of how cool it is to have just a taste test of an experience that is so life-changing for so many people. I mean, realistically, the distance that we covered, 4 miles one way, we'd have to do that, 547 more times in order to reach the end of the trail? Could you check my math on that, Rafi? But you know the old saying, the journey of 2,190 miles starts with one step. And maybe after an experience like this, you guys might be like, I need another 100 miles of that. Or I need another 2,186 miles of that. Or maybe just this 4 miles was special enough, and that's all you need it to be. Don't be afraid to taste test. There are so many yummy things out there in the world created for you to enjoy. And when you found the right path for you, I know that you'll go the distance. You'll earn your trail name.